Hey you all, what's up? It's your girl and I'm back for another hair review, and today we're going to be working with Beauty Forever hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig how I normally do. I'm going to go ahead and add my Got2b glue gel and I'll go ahead and put this wig on. So everything is packed away because I'm in the process of moving. So I'm going to go ahead and use this giant card to go ahead and dry my Got2b glue gel. As you all can see, I went ahead and already put in a style. I thought I was going to go for two little mini ninja buns in the top of the unit. I thought that was gonna look really cute on the mannequin. It did look cute, and then I decided, no boo. It did not look good for your girl. Like, no, I didn't like the way they were positioned. I didn't like what size they were. So I decided to go ahead and take them out and we can just figure out something else. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my baby hairs. I'm going to just section off a little bit of the hair from the front of the frontal and go ahead and shave that down a little bit and go ahead and put in a little bit of baby hairs. I am going to use my tried and true Got2b glue gel. Y'all, I'm still learning about my baby hairs. Sometimes I can get them the first time. Sometimes I feel like it takes me forever to get the right baby hairs. So today I didn't feel like it really went the way I wanted it to go, but still I achieved an okay look. Okay, so right now I'm just going to use some mousse to go ahead and go in and slick down all of the curls and make them more defined. You see those curls popping? Oh yes.